Hey guys, Chris from Provo Beast Audio Installation, and today we're at the Metra booth at CES 2020 here in Las Vegas. We're checking out some of the new dash kits that they have here available that were released this year. Some for older vehicles that now have a solution for single and double DIN units. Let's check them out. We're specifically looking at the Volkswagen Jetta new dash kit available this year. It's the 99-9014HG kit that allows you to install a double DIN radio in the factory location. This kit includes the bezel itself, blinks, and mounting hardware. It's painted to match the factory bezel, manufactured here in the US, and built to accommodate those radios. If you have a Jetta 2019 and up and are interested in replacing the radio with something aftermarket with more features, go ahead and check this out. Again, this is the 99-9014HG dash kit from Metra. Thanks for watching.